out here with the SYMA X500 again, but this time, this time there's going to be no Wi-Fi going anywhere. I don't have my phone on me. It's not even in my pocket, okay? And I turned the Wi-Fi off of my GoPro. So there's going to be no Wi-Fi interference at all. I'm just going to record the video on the memory card, and we're just going to fly it around to see if it flies better without the Wi-Fi and all that nonsense. Got a full battery still. Okay, I did the level calibration. Let me make sure. Try it again. There it goes. Okay, so it did it. So let's just take off and see if it's any better. Let me put it up in the higher rate. Okay, let me start the video here. It still seems like it's wobbling around. Okay, so I see some lights flashing on the back, so that must mean that the video is recorded. You know what? It's the optical flow on this thing that's what's screwy. I'm telling you right now. That's what's causing all this angst with this thing. I think maybe some black tape is in order, okay? Well, I can tell you right now, without any doubt, that it's flying a lot better. Look at this. Look how steady it is now. It's not wobbling and jumping around and bobbing all over the place. Look at that. Look at that. Holy cow, what a difference. Okay, so don't use the app, okay? There you go. Leave the Wi-Fi off and don't use the app, and there you go. SYMA to the rescue. What a world of difference. Holy cow. And there you go, problem solved. Hey Bob, problem solved with this thing.
Really?
Yep. Now it's still drifting around a little bit, but I think the optical flow is going to be what the issue is with this. I think the next time I bring it out, I'm going to cover it up with a piece of tape. And yeah, as soon as I got rid of all the Wi-Fi, it's flying fine. That Wi-Fi is interfering with the transmission signal of the, you know. I just got all the Wi-Fi turned off. I even turned the Wi-Fi off of my GoPro.
Really?
Yeah. How's that Xeno doing?
Very nice. The video seems to be a little better, but it's very nice.
Yeah, well, the Xenos, they bob around a little bit when you first get them going, you know. They take a while to settle down. But this thing's flying great, man. Wow, what a difference. Oh yeah, it's like night and day difference, the way this thing's flying. Seriously. Night and day. Flies good now. All right, there you go. SYMA X500. Don't use the damn app and turn the Wi-Fi off. It'll fly fine. Let me see if I can cut the video here. Okay, so the back lights, they flash green when the video's recording. So I hit the stop button and it stops. So hopefully I'll have the video for you guys in there. So we're gonna land her up right now. Beautiful. Yay! SYMA X500 flies again.